Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, as you can see on the euro currency market has continued to move down, and in fact currently we could say that price stands at some moment of truth, since you see that although market has passed through the confluence support area on the daily time frame almost without no respect, so that is very minor bounce. This is probably not even the 3-8 retracement of this swing down, so this probably could be treated as no respect at all. But currently market stands at some, as I said, area of truth, and if market will pass through the weekly pivot support 1 and monthly pivot support 1, definitely will tell us that some deeper move during the September should be expected. Well, in general, as you remember, we have discussed this moment on the monthly time frame analysis within the previous couple of weeks, and we said that as market has failed to pass through these highs and continue move to the upside, it's logical to suggest some move to the 129 even area at minimum, because that is the level of the yearly pivot point and the 50% support area on the monthly time frame. And market probably currently has all chances to reach it, because as you can see, in general the overall environment is supportive for the dollar, because Congress probably will approve the strike on Syria. Also we see that data gradually improving from the United States economy, and today the non-farm payrolls release probably also has nice chances to give us solid numbers, because in August was the back to school period preparation, and this is the end of the vacation period when the companies increase the employment and work on the employment market more actively. Well, that's why probably the non-farm payrolls could be really solid today, although I do not know for sure. But anyway, currently today is Friday, and since market has erased all bullish potential patterns that theoretically could appear, had the chance to appear on the intraday charts, currently of course I do not want to take the long position, although market has some blurred chances to create another one pattern. But by my thought, currently it's not necessary to take unreasonable risk and try to take position right now. So also market has passed lower than this low, lower than the target of this ABCD pattern that was also, by the way, an agreement with the 1618 extension of that ABCD, small ABCD pattern. Market just has passed through it. This looks in general bearish. Well, on the 4-hour time frame chart, as I said, market theoretically has the chance to create, for instance, reverse head and shoulders, since this bottom stands 127 extension of that one. But remember yesterday's action. Here we have the potential opportunity for double repo, but that hasn't been formed. Market just continue move lower, and this is too much difference for the bottoms of the double repo, so hardly this will be the double repo if any bullish pattern will be formed here. Also market has erased the opportunity for creating the reverse head and shoulders pattern and other patterns. That's why I'm not very fascinated with the taking the long position right now, even if market will show the bounce to the upside. Well, taking the short position here, I also do not want to do this, mostly because before on the eve of the non-farm payrolls release. This is just my some personality that I prefer to wait when the major data will be released, and after that we'll take the reasonable position based on an analysis that we could make in the weekend, and probably we will find the opportunity to take the position, especially if market will show us the clear signs of the move, for instance, to the downside. Well, and in general current situation looks favorable for the US dollar, and I suspect that sooner or later we'll be watching for the taking the short position with it. But currently, guys, today that's mostly is a bit personal. So would you like to trade the non-farm payrolls, whether you trade the data releases or not? That's a bit, so this choice is up to you. Well, I probably will be today flat and wait when this week will end, and try to find some clues within the weekly analysis of the euro currency.